Today is October 2. Hello everyone, this is Daily US Stock News by Kyle, bringing you the latest stock market updates every day. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. US stock market loses to Chinese stocks on the first day of October. Today, all three major US indices closed lower, while Chinese stocks surged against the trend. The US stock market experienced a black start in October due to the escalating tensions in the Middle East. The reason for the increased market volatility is Iran's retaliatory actions against Israel. Tehran stated that this was in response to Israel's actions against Hezbollah in Lebanon. Israel views this attack as serious and has warned of consequences, raising concerns that the conflict between the two countries could escalate further. As the situation worsens, investors have turned to traditional safe haven assets such as gold, U.S. Treasury bonds, and the U.S. dollar. This behavior mirrors past geopolitical upheavals, such as when the market briefly shifted to a risk-averse stance following Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Market analysts are closely monitoring the developments, and the potential for further market turmoil will depend on Israel's next actions and whether the conflict will escalate. 1. Jerome Powell's remarks on interest rates. Yesterday, Jerome Powell indicated that the Federal Reserve may slow down its pace and cut interest rates by 0.25 percentage points. He emphasized that the Fed is not in a hurry to ease monetary policy significantly, citing strong economic growth and robust consumer spending. This statement dampened expectations of a steep rate cut, causing the stock market to turn downward. However, more hawkish Fed officials expressed an openness to a 50 basis point rate cut if employment weakens. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic recently stated that if the upcoming U.S. non-farm payroll report shows job growth slowing faster than expected, he would be open to another 50 basis point rate cut. For gold traders, gold prices are closely tied to Fed policy, particularly in the context of interest rate decisions. Although Powell's hawkish tone temporarily cooled optimism about rate cuts, if future economic data underperforms, the Fed may adjust its policy, which could provide upward momentum for gold prices. 2. Irish government proposes pre-election budget. The Irish government has proposed a pre-election budget that includes €10.5 billion in tax cuts and increased spending. This significant fiscal move will benefit a wide range of citizens, including retirees, parents, renters, workers, and welfare recipients, with each person receiving approximately €2,000 in benefits on average. This plan also aims to invest in addressing growth constraints and establishing long-term solutions for the country's future. 3. Reuters to launch digital subscription service. Reuters News will launch a digital subscription service later this month, initially priced at $1 per week, allowing users to access online content. This move marks Reuters' entry into the growing number of media outlets implementing paywalls. 4. CVS Health to lay off 2,900 employees. To streamline operations, CVS Health announced it will lay off approximately 2,900 employees, accounting for less than 1% of its total workforce. This decision is part of the healthcare giant's ongoing strategy to cut costs and improve efficiency. The layoffs mainly affect corporate positions, while roles in stores, pharmacies, and distribution centers remain largely unaffected. 5. Nike affected by declining consumer spending in China. Sportswear giant Nike has been negatively impacted by declining consumer spending in China. China's economy is experiencing a fragile recovery post-pandemic, partly due to the high unemployment rate among young people and the prolonged slump in the real estate sector. Additionally, consumers in the region are increasingly opting to purchase locally made products. 6. Barclays maintains underweight rating on Apple.